In this demo, I'm going to describe how to use AskRail reference materials for information on railroad contacts, hazardous materials, emergency response guidebooks, emergency response contacts, top 125 hazmats transported by rail, and placards. First, let's see how to look up railroad contact information. Select the Railroad Contact Info icon at the bottom of the AskRail screen. On Android, select Railroad Contact Info from the menu drawer at the top left and display the Railroad Contact Info screen. This screen provides contact phone numbers for all of the Class 1 freight railroads and Amtrak passenger railroad. If you are using AskRail on a smartphone, simply tap the telephone icon to call the railroad. After searching for railcar contents, you can also see contact information at the bottom of the equipment details screen for the railroad associated with that specific railcar. You can look up information about hazardous materials in two ways. After performing a railcar search, you may see that a railcar is carrying a hazardous material. Simply select the UN number of the hazardous material or select the placard. In the resulting pop-up, select View ERG Guide. The guide for the selected hazardous material is displayed. Or you can select the hazardous materials icon at the bottom of the AskRail screen. On Android, select hazardous materials from the menu drawer at the top left. This shows the hazardous materials screen, which enables you to look up hazardous materials alphabetically or by entering information in the search field. You can also look up specific emergency response guidebooks by ERG number. To do this, select the hazardous materials icon at the bottom of the AskRail screen. On Android, select hazardous materials from the menu drawer at the top left and display the hazardous materials screen. Then select ERG Guides at the top. The list of ERG guides is displayed in numeric order. Scroll down to view the entire list or enter a guidebook number in the search field. Select a guide to review its contents. Select Done to return to the list of guides. Use a similar procedure to look up the top 125 hazardous materials most commonly transported by rail. Select the hazardous materials icon at the bottom of the AskRail screen. On Android, select hazardous materials from the menu drawer at the top left and display the hazardous materials screen. Next, select top 125 hazmats at the top of the screen. Note that this feature is only available to registered users with full access. You can use the placard reference to look up information about hazardous materials placards. Select the placard reference icon at the bottom of the AskRail screen. On Android, select placard reference from the menu drawer at the top left and display the placard reference screen. Scroll down the list to see all the placards, or select the search field to view only placards of a certain color. You can select a placard to view the emergency response guidebook information associated with that placard. That wraps up this overview of AskRail reference materials. Contact us for more information.